Well, hello there, sandwich fans, sandwich dad, and sandwich lad here. What are we going to make today, boy? We're going to make the croque-madame. Now, the madame comes from the egg, because the egg is meant to resemble a woman's hat. But you know what, we'll make a non-binary version, and we're going to call it the croque-chapeau. How do we make our croque-chapeau? We make our chapeau on sourdough. We'll also need some ham, some Swiss cheese, unless you want to splurge and get the Gruyere. And we'll have to make a little plussed up bechamel sauce, so we'll get some butter, some flour, some milk, and some Dijon mustard. Oh, and of course the egg. So let's melt some butter, equal part flour, and whisk that into a roux. That looks good. Add some milk, and a little salt and pepper, and a bit of Dijon mustard. And whisk till thick. Then butter your bread, butter side down in the pan. Bit of bechamel on one piece, then your ham, and your Swiss. Let's give that a quick steam so the cheese melts, and turn your oven to broil. Now we combine a little ASMR, then more bechamel on top, another slice of cheese, and under the broiler. Then we ready our chapeau. Et voilà, votre croque-jambon et un chapeau. And there we have it, our croque-chapeau. It's a thing of beauty. This is a knife and forker. Sandwich dad and sandwich lad. Good day!